Hi, seal.
Seal. Look up.
Oh, so nice.
Also in the French fries. I'm gonna be
Akyat tayo, guys. Akyat tayo. Yung trail. Whew. Talaga. You have to be careful, honey. Or else I'm gonna meet you there in the ocean.
You don't have insurance?
No insurance. We don't have insurance.
my trip.
Oh, I'm not scared of anything. I'm Moana.
Is that pipe that you wanted?
I'm Moana. Yeah, this is what I want.
Disturbing.
This is... Go, Grandma Kiki.
I'm not gonna.
Okay, okay. Wow, the water. Go ahead, Kiara. Lead the way. Sus, pag nahulog ka. Why the seal is there?
I guess he's waiting for fish, or he's just chilling there, waiting for predators.
Okay.
No one there, only people. I don't know if there's one or
Nice.
maybe there's a whale.
Exciting part of the trail.
Talking about something dangerous like windy.
Goodness, it's so relaxing. Like, wow, it's a nice weather too. Ganda.
Wonderful.
And we're going up to the stairs again. Oh my goodness.
Again, moving it.
Lead the way. Lead the stairs.
Always make sure that
Step on the
there's
safe
These
place.
two are close to go over here or something.
Yeah. All the way to the end. I don't think we can come back here. I don't think I can walk.
I joined in the other trails.
Oh.
So they get like